morning, Abuela.
Morning, mi amor. You look tired. Did you stay up late again?
Yeah, I was studying English, but honestly, it feels useless sometimes. I've been trying for months, and I still can't speak fluently.
Useless? Oh no, my dear. Nothing you learn with effort is useless.
But it's so slow. I listen, I repeat, I watch videos, and still, when someone talks to me in English, I freeze.
Hmm. Tell me, when you were a baby, did you start talking Spanish right away?
Of course not, Abuela. I was a baby.
Exactly. You listened first for months. Then you said little words, then sentences. And it took years to speak the way you do now.
But I was a kid. It's different.
Maybe, but the brain works the same way. You cannot rush something that grows. A language is like a tree. You water it every day, even if you don't see it grow yet.
That's poetic, Abuela, but it's also frustrating.
Frustration, that means you care. If you didn't care, you wouldn't feel it. You're still studying?
Trying to, but every time I forget a word, I feel stupid.
You're not stupid, querida. You're human. Even I forget things in Spanish sometimes.
I just wish I could speak like those people online, so natural, so confident.
They didn't wake up one morning speaking like that. You only see their results, not their hours of practice.
I know, but how much time does it take?
That depends on patience, on consistency, and on how much love you give to the process.
Love? For grammar and irregular verbs?
Not for the verbs, silly girl, for yourself. Love yourself enough to keep learning even when it's hard.
You always make things sound beautiful, Abuela.
That's what grandmothers are for.
Abuela, did you ever learn another language?
Yes, a little. I learned Italian when I was young.
Really? You never told me.
Because I didn't become fluent. I started, then stopped when life got busy. I regret that.
So, you think if you had kept going, you would have spoken Italian by now?
Of course. Anything grows when you give it time. I stopped watering that tree, so it died. Don't do the same, Camila.
It's hard to be consistent. Some days I feel motivated. Other days I don't even want to open the book.
Then open a song instead, or watch a movie, or talk to your mirror. Learning doesn't mean studying the same way every day. It means staying in touch with the language.
That makes sense. Maybe I should change my approach.
Exactly. You Argentinians love football, right? Imagine if Messi stopped practicing because he missed one goal.
Messi never misses.
Oh, he does, but he learns from every miss. That's why he shines.
You know, I practiced speaking with my online friend today. I made so many mistakes, but at least I tried.
That's wonderful. Mistakes are signs of progress. You can't walk without falling first.
He corrected my pronunciation like 10 times. I wanted to disappear.
10 corrections? That's 10 lessons.
You really think it's okay to sound bad?
Of course. When I learned to cook, I burned half of what I made. Now people beg me for recipes.
So you're saying I need to burn a lot of words before I get it right?
Exactly, my clever burl.
What are you reading, Abuela?
My old English book. See? Hello, my name is Rosa. It's from when I was your age.
That's adorable. Did you ever talk to anyone in English?
Once, A tourist asked me for directions in Buenos Aires. I panicked and answered in Italian by mistake.
No way.
See, it was terrible. But you know what? That moment made me realize how much I wanted to be able to answer properly.
That's how I feel when I hear people speak fluently. I feel jealous.
Don't be jealous. Be curious. Ask yourself, what are they doing every day that I'm not?
Probably practicing more.
Exactly. And you can do that too.
Sometimes I wish there was a shortcut.
There is one. It's called not giving up.
You know, Abuela, I think I understand now. Learning English isn't about speed, it's about time and consistency.
Yes, it's like love or friendship or growing flowers. You can't force them. You just show up every day.
Maybe I'll start enjoying it more instead of rushing.
That's the spirit. When you enjoy it, time doesn't feel wasted. It feels invested.
You always know how to say things perfectly.
No, my dear. I've just lived long enough to know that everything worth having takes time.
Even English.
Especially English.
I think tomorrow I'll wake up early and watch a movie with subtitles.
Perfect. And I'll join you. Maybe I'll learn a little too.
Deal. But no Italian this time, Abuela.
No promises, querida.